In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a board in Monday.com. Whether you're collaborating with team members or needing to involve outside partners, sharing a board allows for seamless communication and coordination. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can easily get your board shared and your projects moving efficiently. To begin, navigate to Monday.com. If you're not already logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Login button. Click on it and you'll be presented with the login options. You can choose to sign in with Google for a quick and convenient login process, or type in the email address that's associated with your Monday.com account. If you opt to use your Google account, go ahead and select the email address you wish to use from the accounts listed. This step ensures a secure and efficient login, connecting you directly to your Monday.com environment. Once you are successfully logged in, you may already know that Monday.com boards are versatile tools for organizing and managing your projects. Today we'll focus on creating a shareable board, which is ideal for including external collaborators like contractors, clients, or freelancers. Click on the plus icon, prominently located at the top left of your screen. This action allows you to create a new board. Here you have the choice to designate your board as main, shareable, or private. For our purpose, you'll want to select Shareable. After deciding on the type of board, click Create Board to bring your new board to life. Once your board is created, a prompt might appear. Simply click OK, got it to dismiss it and proceed. Now, sharing your board is just a click away. Locate the Invite button in the upper right corner of the screen. This button is your gateway to collaboration. Upon clicking it, a screen will pop up, displaying the sharing options available to you. If you wish to share your board with team members, use the left side where internal sharing options are displayed. Conversely, if you need to invite outside users like clients or consultants, type their email address into the field provided on the right. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Monday.com boards reach everyone who needs access, whether they're inside your organization or external partners. This sharing capability not only enhances communication, but also fosters collaboration and productively drives your projects forward. By efficiently managing who sees what, you're setting up your team and partners for success, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough and happy collaborating.